Have you ever wondered why some vehicles might be more capable of making it through that flooded road than others? Well, it's all to do with wading depth, or even known as fording depth. Wading depth is the amount of water a car can go through without taking any water on board, and is measured by where the tyres hit the floor all the way to the air intake. You can find your vehicle's wading depth in your handbook, on the manufacturer's website, or even in your driver's door card. If you're unsure or you can't find your vehicle's wading depth, use 10 centimetres as a rule of thumb. That's because driving in anything over this can be very dangerous and very costly if anything happens to your car.